Welcome to Maths Gym. In this lesson, we are going to take a look at question number 13 from NCFE book Longman Mathematics from exercise 8.2. The question says, fruit seller buys 100 kg apples at a rate of 20 per kg, and he sold 2.2 of the apples at a loss of 7%. At what rate he must sell the remaining apples to make a profit of 15% on the sale of all the apples? This is an important point to note, the last portion of the question. What is happening in this question? There is a total quantity which is bought by the seller, fruit seller, and a portion is sold. There has been a loss in that portion. So at what rate we should sell the balance portion so that overall profit of 15% is made on the sale of all the apples? So that's the question. Let's take a look at the lesson. What is given to us? Total apples 100 kg. Cost of apple per kg is 20. So cost of total 100 kg apple which the fruit seller has paid is 100 into 20, which is 2000 rupees. 2/5 of the apple is sold. So 2/5 of the apple, how much it's going to be? It's going to be 2/5 of 100 kg, which is 40 kg. Now we will find out cost price of 40 kg, which is 40 into 20, which is 20 per kg. So finally rupees 800 is the cost price. Now this is also given that this apple for 40 kg or 2/5 apple has been sold at 7% loss. Loss is always calculated on CP, right? So the CP of 40 kg apple is 800. So we also know what is the loss. The loss on sale of 40 kg is 7% of 40 kg, which is 7 by 100 into 800, which is 56 rupees. So rupees 56 is the loss. You are also aware that the loss, when we will be using it in the equation, we will use it in with the negative sign. Otherwise, when we use it in expressing the language words, we will use it as loss, which is equal to rupees 56. Apples which are left for sale, how much apples will be left? Well, you can always find out. 40 kg has been sold, so 100 minus 40 is 60 kg, but 2 by 5 part of the apple was sold. We are using the part method, so apples left for sale is 1 minus 2 by 5, which is this one, and you get which is as 3 by 5. Apple left for sale is 3 by 5. When you convert them into kg, it's going to become 60 kg, which you could have got it directly as well, which is 100 kg minus 40 kg, which has been sold at a loss. Now these 60 kg apple, there will be a final profit which is expected when you sell these 60 kg. But you know what is that? Your profit should not just be from the 60 kg only, but my total profit out of overall 100 kg, when we calculate and summarize the both the components, should be 15% of total cost of apples. So 15% of total cost of apple is 2000 rupees. So 15% of 2000 is going to be 15 upon 100 into 2000, which is rupees 300. Final profit which is expected from the sale of all apples will be equal to loss which is from the sale of 2/5 apple and profit from the sale of balance 3 by 5 apple, 3/5 part of the apple. So please take a note, this is your master equation. Okay, so that's why it is in the box as well. Final profit which is expected from the sale of all apple, which you have arrived at, which is rupees 300, will be calculated by subtracting the loss from 2/5 apple and profit from the sale of 3/5 apple. We don't know profit from the sale of 3/5 apple, we need to find it out, but we know final profit expected is 300 rupees. So 300 is equal to loss, the 56 rupees of loss we are putting it with minus sign. Profit on the sale of 3/5 apple we will now get. How do we get it? Let's flip the side. We are just flipping the side, not transposing the sides. So minus 56 plus profit on sale of 3 by 5 apple is equal to 300. So profit, right? So we know this profit on the sale of 3/5 apple is 356. So profit on the sale of 60 kg apple is 356. CP of 60 kg is how much? you know 20 kg per 20 rupees per kg is the cost. So CP of 60 kg apple is 60 into 20, which is rupees 1200. So SP of 60 kg apple will be equal to CP of 60 kg apple plus profit on 60 kg apple, right? And how much have we got profit on 60 kg apple? We have just found out that we should be getting 356. So 1200 plus 356 gives us 51556. So SP per kg, selling price per kg is 1556 divided by 60, which comes to rupees 25.93 per kg. So the remaining apples should be sold at 25.93 per kg. Thank you very much for watching the lesson. You can WhatsApp your problems at 9821159097, or you may mail your problems at mathsgym2020@gmail.com. We will create a video for you to have lessons on the subject.